Hi, this is Avery with our Visual Brains We Move series. Today we are working on tactile memory. For this activity, we're using plastic food and a paper bag, but you can use any household items. I'm going to ask your player to place the items into the bag, and then I'm going to call out a food item and have him, without looking, pull it out by touch, as Luca is going to demonstrate. All right, you get me the pizza. Awesome. All right, and the corn? Okay, and how about the watermelon? Now for more fun activities, you can join us at www.ourvisualbrain.com. Thanks for joining us today.